All right, and we're back. This is the unboxing of the other piece that I was waiting for the mirrors. So let me get this open here. I'm going to do this quick as I can because, yes, I don't know if you can hear in my voice, I am sick again. So definitely not feeling the best, but I want to get this done. All right, let's see. So there you go. Memphis Shades MEB7221. They are the hand grips. So this way they'll go with the Road Warrior fairing that I have. Get this. All right, this is already open. I'll show you what we got here. All right. Piece of tape here. Here you go. So obviously you can see there's dust and stuff sticking to them, but since I have paint left over from the fairing, I am going to paint match them. So we'll do that real quick. I don't have any of the 2K clear, so I'll just have to use the 1K. And that should do the trick. Because they're not going to be run all the time. What my intent is, like, well, cold months. Cold weather months, that's when they'll be put on the bike. So the hardware will go on and stay, but everything else will be unscrewed and come off the bike. So that's that. Directions, obviously. Okay, and then here's the brackets with the screws, everything you need to bolt them on the bike. So this was obviously, you know how I am. There's to replace the mirror stalk star washers, but they give them to you, but I won't need them. I have them with the mirror replacements that I got. But you guys know me when it comes to eBay, and this is another one of those eBay steals. These things are going for like 90 bucks now. I couldn't believe it when I looked them up. They're like $90. And there was a seller that I got these from in Georgia, and they had them listed for, I think, 76. But I had been watching them for quite some time. I'm talking 7 months, 8 months. Nobody bought them. So I'm like, okay. I wrote to them and I said, look, if all the hardware and everything's there, I'll give you 50 bucks shipped. Let me know. So it took them like 3 or 4 days to double check the hardware. They sent pictures to me and said, through eBay, here you go. I said, all right, that's everything there. All right, yeah, send me an offer for 50. Because I don't like making an offer now, because you have to give them your credit card information on eBay now in order to make offers to people, and I don't want to do that. I'm not interested in that. So I said, send me an offer for 50 bucks, I'll take them. Next thing I know, I got an email, hey, the seller is offering you this stuff for 50 bucks, so I took it. So it saved me $40. So, and there you have it. So don't think, you can get deals, you just have to search. Know what you're looking for. I obviously looked up the part number, exactly what I needed. Know what you're looking for, and go on and search. And then, put stuff in your watch list. A lot of times you put stuff in your watch list, they actually reach out to you with an offer. Most times it's not, to me, it's not that good of a deal. So what I ended up doing, like I said, is I try to write to them first and just say, hey, I'll give you this much. And with how slow eBay is anymore, a lot of these people are taking offers because, like this maybe paid for half of their store for the month because they had more than the basic minimum that they give you. So this probably paid half their fees for their store for the month of June. So, all right. Well, with that said, that's it. Probably not going to do a how-to video to paint because it's going to be basically the same process as when I painted the fairing. So what I'm going to end up doing is, I think Monday here is supposed to be super low humidity. Monday, Tuesday, high of 81. So when I did the fairing, I'm going to probably end up scuffing and shooting these. And then, get them ready to go. And of course, I'll do a how-to video once I start installing everything. All right. And, as always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, especially if you want to see how to install these things. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. A lot of you guys are, I hear people say it all the time, a lot of people are watching, but they're not subscribed. I'm getting the same thing. I have one of my videos has 1,800 views. It's like, hey, if you want to see how I'm doing things, subscribe, and then you'll get notified when I pop a video. Usually it's on Tuesday at 3 a.m. or Saturday at 3 a.m. All right, I'll see you guys later.